Hello, this is another video in the Piedmont Beautification Foundation series. This one is going to show you how to check your form entries on the back end of the site and also to be able to export those. So you'll come right down here to Forms, click on that. It will bring up a list of all of the forms on the website. So since you guys are sharing with Piedmont Garden Club, please be aware that their forms are all on here as well. You can see your two start with PBF, the acronym for your organization. So here's your contact form and here's your donate form. Now to look at the entries, you don't actually click on the name. Clicking on the name will take you to edit the actual form itself. Where you'll need to go is here, this entries column. So where these cross, PBF, donate, and the number of entries. And you would just click right there on the number. That'll show you the total number of entries. Here's one sample that I filled out before we had the payment gateway connected, so I was able to fill it out without actually making a donation or putting my credit card information in. So as there are more, they'll just all be listed here. The newest one will be always right at the top. Yeah, and if you want to look at the details on any of these, you can just click into that particular entry to see all of the details, whether they did a tribute or memorial, who it was in honor of, anonymous or not, yada, yada, yada. All of that great information that you are wanting to know, except for, of course, it won't include credit card information. The WordPress site can't store that because it's not secure enough to store credit card information. You'll have to get that from Stripe if you need that. The other part that you are, as I understand, you're going to want to do for making donor lists, etc., is to be able to export stuff. So if you come right down here to Import Export underneath Forms, you can select which form you want to export from. So again, in this case, it would be PBF Donate. And then, if you want to select which fields you want to export, you can individually select those. Otherwise, you'll just hit Select All. Then you can enter your start and end date for the range that you want to. So if you're going to be doing this monthly or quarterly or whatever, you'll just pick your start and end date here using the little calendar feature under each one of these. And then you'll click Download Export File. It will export the file for you. You'll choose where you want to save it, and then we can open that file, and you can see here's my entry. Now, since I didn't fill out a lot of those fields, they're not there, but you can see it's got everything that you would want to know for any particular form fill that was done. I think that is all that you'll need to know. Let me know if there's something else. Thanks.